Hi everyone and welcome to the technical deep dive of the new EQS. As the latest member of the Mercedes EQ family, we gave this electric luxury sedan a drive concept that will serve as the basis for further high-end electric models including SUVs. Our modular electric vehicle architecture, also called EVA, is scalable in every respect. This is thanks to a variable wheelbase and track width. Many other system components, such as the battery and the electric motors, are also scalable. Let's start with the highly efficient lithium-ion battery concept. Equipped with either pouch or hard case cells, it has an energy capacity of up to 107.8 kilowatt-hours and a range of up to 770 kilometers according to WLTP. We increased the battery cells density compared to previous Mercedes EQ units. It's also now combined with an intelligent battery management system that we designed in-house. To keep the EQS software current, it's updated over the air. All this results in the perfect balance of performance and efficiency. And now on to the electric motors. On the road, you will notice that there is almost no noise from the drivetrain due to the intelligent design and construction of the electric drive, the arrangement of the elastomer bearings and support frames, and the sound insulation of the electric motors. For example, the motors are doubly decoupled from the body using rubber bushings and entirely encapsulated using special acoustic foam. Inside the motors themselves, we implemented what is called Stator Skew. This means that in relation to the permanent magnets in the rotor, the windings in the stator are arranged at an angle. The practical result is fewer vibrations, especially at low speeds. The drivetrain is very powerful. At market launch, we offer outputs from 245 kilowatts in the rear-wheel drive model to 385 kilowatt turning all four wheels. In terms of efficiency, the car's incredible aerodynamics also play a major role. The EQS actually has a drag coefficient of only 0.20, better than any other production car out there. This benchmark figure is critical, maximizing the electric range. Of course, there are a number of other measures we took to ensure you get the most out of every charge. One is the enhanced Eco Assistant, which analyzes traffic situations, gradients, vehicles ahead, and speed limits, and supports the driver with intelligent recuperation. The EQS can therefore relieve the driver of braking and, depending on the situation, stop automatically if necessary when vehicles ahead are detected. Whenever the situation allows, the system switches to coasting, so the EQS drives with almost zero energy consumption. Then there is navigation with electric intelligence, which plans the best route for you. It continuously analyzes the topography, route, ambient temperature, speed, and the charging infrastructure. The cloud-based system then calculates the energy requirements in order to determine the optimal route. For the first time, alternative routes are also offered. Finally, the charging system of the EQS is designed for all common charging options. We offer charging from household outlets with up to 22 kilowatt AC to quick charging. Charging is actually possible almost anywhere. But with Mercedes Me Charge, our EQ customers get direct access to more than 500,000 charging points worldwide. This includes quick charging with DC up to 200 kilowatt. With this, you can recharge up to 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. And our Mercedes EQ customers will get free fast charging for a year through the Unity network in Europe. We will also offer several new intelligent charging functions. For example, the charging process will automatically pause at certain times in order to make advantages of the best electricity rates. And with green charging from Mercedes Me Charge, we feed as much green power into the grid as you charged up with. Ladies and gentlemen, to sum it up, this is electric luxury at its best.
Hello everyone. You've probably heard by now that we are electrifying the entire Mercedes-Benz product portfolio because our ambition is to lead in electric drive. Today we take a big step towards reaching this goal with the world premiere of our new EQS. Built on a dedicated electric platform, designed from the ground up, this fully electric luxury sedan is a milestone of engineering at Mercedes-Benz. One of the most important criteria for electric vehicles is range. That's why we put all of our efforts into giving our EQS an impressive range of up to 770 kilometers on a single charge. How did we achieve this impressive figure? Just like the overall Mercedes-Benz recipe for success, it's not one single thing, but a combination of several. To start, the EQS has a benchmark drag coefficient of 0.2. Its best-in-class aerodynamics play a major role in efficiency. So does our intelligent route planning and enhanced recuperation, which let you get the most out of recharge. Another important component is our newly developed electric drivetrain, which features a low energy consumption. We've also paid special attention to the new high-capacity battery. It has increased cell energy density compared to previous EQ batteries. We'll offer it in two variants, going up to 108 kilowatt-hours. The battery is paired with our intelligent management software and assembled in-house to assure our high-quality Mercedes-Benz standards. And using DC quick charging, up to 300 kilometer range can be gained only in 15 minutes. It's a very compelling package, not just for EV enthusiasts. This EQS is for all car guys and girls out there. Just take a look at the numbers. Our top EQS model will boast a combined output of 385 kilowatt or more than 500 horsepower, perfectly distributed to all four wheels. That should be good for 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Trust me, it's fun. I hope you enjoy learning more about this fascinating EQS coming to Mercedes showrooms later this year.